Welcome to this unit on conducting an effective literature review. In this session, we'll explore how to build a strong foundation for your research by systematically reviewing existing studies. Drawing on guidance from PM Chapters 8, 10, and 20, we'll walk you through the process of finding credible sources, critically analyzing them, and weaving the findings into a coherent narrative that supports your research problem, question, and objectives or hypotheses. Identifying sources involves using academic databases, journals, and scholarly repositories to collect relevant literature. To ensure quality, identifying sources must focus on recent, credible, and directly related works. For example, identifying sources on digital learning may include studies on pedagogy, e-learning tools, and student engagement from trusted education journals. Evaluating the literature requires critically assessing each source's methods, findings, and relevance to your research problem. To enhance evaluating the literature, identify key trends, contradictions, and gaps in the existing body of work. For instance, evaluating the literature on classroom technology means comparing studies to find consensus and areas needing further study. Synthesis combines insights from various studies to form a comprehensive view of the research landscape. A good synthesis shows how previous research informs your question and supports your objectives or hypotheses. Building a coherent argument means organizing your review from general background to the identification of research gaps. A strong building a coherent argument approach shows how literature justifies your study and guides its direction. Practical tips for your review include using subheadings and thematic sections to maintain clear structure. Effective practical tips ensure each section links the literature to specific components of your research. For example, practical tips can help frame sections around digital learning challenges, benefits, and outcomes aligned with your question and hypothesis. Thank you for joining us in this unit on literature review. By now, you should understand how to conduct a comprehensive search, critically engage with scholarly sources, and integrate those insights into a compelling research narrative. Remember, a well-structured literature review not only strengthens your research foundation, but also clearly shows where your study fits in the broader academic conversation. Keep these strategies in mind as you continue your research journey.